Hey, what's up, guys? What are you guys doing down here? Looking C-Rex, drinking water. Clayvon is waiting for who? Me, guys, because we're going out to do some shopping to get ready for the winter storm tomorrow, guys. So, guys, let's go! So, guys, yesterday was so cold. Super cold that my car would not start. So I actually had to call for the tow truck to get a boost. And, so right now I think I have to buy that jump start converter or whatever you call it. Sorry guys, I'm not a mechanic. But it was super cool. Today's not too bad. But we have to do some shopping because there's a large snowstorm that we're expecting. So guys, oh my gosh, look, this car's pretty dirty because of C-Rex's snow boots. Okay guys. We're probably going to check Superstore, depending on what we find at Walmart. First, you want to go in the car too? Okay, mommy's strong. Mommy doesn't need daddy to pick him up. That's fine, guys. Hey, Chris, I like your mask. That's pretty. Oh, there's some chocolates. Okay. Oh, we don't need chocolates. Oh, this is what we need, honey. We need some salt. Okay, so guys, we finally found some face masks for Clarissa and Clayvon. We've been looking for masks for the longest time, and for some reason we can't find them anywhere. So that will make Clarissa and Clay very happy. Oh, I forgot to get those salt. Oh, here's some more down here. I'll just pick these up. Oh, do you need any bath stuff? Shower gel, shampoo, etc, etc, etc. Alright guys, let's go see if mommy needs any. Well, of course, your favorite part is the hair products. I thought you said needed a hairbrush. Try not to wait too long, because these kids, are gonna start want to get picked up. Okay, I'll take you guys down. Oh, see? Mommy's strong again. Mommy doesn't want to. Oh, you want to come down? Okay, Clay, let me give you a hand, Clay. Come on, Clay. Come, let daddy take you out. Come, Clay. Come on, stand up, boy. Come, Clay. Oh. Clay is out, guys. Yes, we need some more bins for these guys' toys. See, Clarissa knows these bins because you guys have so much toys. There's no room to put them. So let's pick up, I guess, a couple of these bins. Is it the same one that we have right now?
That one is smaller than
this one is smaller.
Yeah.
I think it's the same size. Really? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Set it on camera.
Yes.
Let me see it. The tiny bit smaller. Yeah. So I was right. Right, folks. Yeah. Okay, so I guess yeah, we'll look on the other side. If not, we will just pick these up. I guess beggars can be choosers. Well, we're not begging anyone. Okay, none here. The other side. This side. Oh, they do have some here. So it looks like I was right again. Yeah, I think it's these ones up here. Like I said before. Right, T-Rex? Was I right? Mommy, come on, admit it, I was right. Clayton, I was right? See? He's saying, yes, I was right. So these kids, they want to check on some school supplies or some toys or something. So T-Rex is choosing whatever that is. Well, let's see. Slimy. Slimy lab. Oh, good luck with that one. And of course, Flavon, he picked up some type of paint set. And of course, it's washable, so it doesn't stain the walls and floors and maybe ceiling.
Maybe the small one, Clarissa. This one is slimy too.
Oh yeah, these are the smaller slime.
You like this?
Well, trust me, once he skids. Oh, you don't want it, Clay? Honey, I think he doesn't want this.
Okay, Clay.
Maybe he wants the a different type.
Okay then. Okay, go.
Okay, maybe we'll pick up a.
Yeah.
Maybe he'll find something else. What else do you want, Clay? Oh, he wants that. Go ahead, Clay. Choose something. Oh, you found something better. Oh, it's letters. But it's beads. No, it's okay.
Maybe we can look for him instead of that and the toys.
Yeah.
Let's check it out, Tom, instead of me.
Hey, Clay. What's up? So, hon, I found some of these kitchen bags with Febreze. They smell really delicious. Did you find any boots? Okay, let's get these in here. Yeah, I need some boots. Some snow boots. These kids, they are wearing their snow boots. Clayvon, what are you doing all the way here, over there, Clay? With your Paw Patrol snow boots. You want a Paw Patrol snow boots? Oh, are these guys or girls? Boots. These are ladies. Okay, oh, here's the guy ones. I can't tell the difference these days. Yeah, these are ladies too. See, the ladies' boots are always nicer than the guy boots. Like, look at this. You can probably wear this to a party. Well, if you live in the snow mountains. T-Rex. Oh, where did Clay disappear to? So, guys, I finally found my snow boots. It has fur inside, so it's going to be nice and warm. LED lighting and Bluetooth. Just kidding, guys. Okay, guys. Come, Clay. Let's go, guys. Clay. What's up, baby? What are you looking for, baby? Okay, guys. What's up? Are you guys enjoying your happy snappy meal? Of course you are. And you're enjoying your coffee. Okay. Can I smell it? So, guys, we already have everything for tomorrow's snowstorm. We picked up some salt, of course, and you know, some groceries, snacks, and of course, you guys saw my Bluetooth boots, guys. Yes, you heard it right, a Bluetooth boot. I'm just kidding. Nobody has a Bluetooth boot. It's just regular old winter shoes. So guys, we're gonna keep you posted on that winter storm. Maybe Clarissa's gonna have a snow day, and we're gonna do some fun stuff. So in the meantime, guys, remember to hit the subscribe button, share this video, guys, and take care until the next video.